How to use edit profile feature to transform your walls. First, we need to click any wall, and here edit profile feature will be available. So there are different scenarios we might use this feature. Like here, I want to align this wall to the stair. To accomplish that, click wall, edit profile. Now I can just align this one to here, and actually use trim and extend corner to clean up the lines and delete here. Simply finish the edit mode. Now this wall completely aligns with this stair. Like this, there might be different scenarios, like some walls might have architectural features